Okay, right. We will see average here. 3 plus 11. Here, what he has given mean. Mean means total. How many numbers? 12 numbers. What is the sum of numbers? See here. 3 plus, add all these terms. Okay, tell me exact. 3 plus 11 what? 14. 14 plus 9 plus 7. 7 plus 9 what? 16. 15 plus 13 what? 28. 27. 38 plus 14 plus 6. I am adding these numbers this term. How many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So average is 12. Mean is what? 12. Right. 12 into 12 once 144. See, sum here. See here. 14 plus 16 what? Okay, 30. 30 plus 28, 58. Okay, 58. Next 58 plus 27. 27 plus this one. 57 plus 38 what? 65. 65. 65 plus what is the sum? 58 plus 79 equal to 144. What is the sum? 137 plus x equal to 144. X equal to 7. Right. Okay, right. In another way, you can calculate. Suppose see here, 12 is given. See here, see the numbers which are about 12. Distance method. Finding the average by distance method. Suppose 30, 31, 33. This is average. What is the average of three numbers? You can find directly without finding the sum. How? First assume 31 is a average. See here, subtract 31, this average number, with all remaining numbers. 31 minus 30 what? Plus 1. 31 minus 31 what? Plus 0. 31 minus 33 what? Minus 2. So minus 2. Right? Okay. Next 2 is covered by all these number. So 2 by 3. What? 0.66. Right? So 31 plus point 0.66. This is average. Okay. Right. Like this distance method. Here, here 12 is given. So you have to subtract every number with minus 12. So instead of that, find the any two numbers sum 24 is there or not. See here, 13 is there, 11 is there. Okay, 7 is there, 17 is there. Okay, next 9 is there, 15, 30, right? Any values are there? The remaining 3 is there, 21 is there. Next remaining 8 plus 23. No, wrong. 9 plus 15, 24. Next, check here. 8 plus 14. Oh, sorry, no. 8 plus 14 what? 22. 22 minus 24 minus 2. Next, 19. 19 minus 12 means what? Plus 7. What? 5. Total is 5. right? So x must be neutralize this one here 5. X must be minus 5 from how much 12. So what, x must be 7, right? Directly. Okay, right. This is distance method, difference method. Okay, average means difference. Okay, from that number to, so suppose what is the average of 31, 32, 33, 34, 38? What is the average? Suppose I am assuming any number average as 33. Next I have subtract every number with 33. What is that? Minus 2, minus 1, plus 0, plus 1, plus 5. What is the sum? Minus 3, 6. Sum is what? 3. 3 by how many numbers? This was shared by all these numbers. 5 equal to 0.6. You have to add this 0.6 like this. Right? Next question. The average of the marks obtained by, see here, average of the marks obtained in examination by 8 students. What is the 8 students? Average is 51. Next 9 students, average is 68. Total average of 17 students. Now you can find 8 into 51 plus 9 into 68 is 17. Okay, see here, 17, 17 3 17 fours. 8 3 are 24 plus 36. What? 60. Average is 60. Right. This is in general method. Right. Next we will see another method. 8 is 51. 9 is what? 68. Okay. Here difference is what? 17. Okay. 17 is higher. For how many numbers? How many numbers are more than 51? 17. Okay. 17 into 9. Why? This is the more quantity. That must be divided by all this 17. So 9. 9 is more. 9 is more than 51. Okay. Right. 51 plus 9 is, for these numbers, assume 8 is 51. 9 is 68. Average must be in between. So 51 plus, that plus value must be this difference. Difference is how much? 17 into cross 9 by, this must be shared by all. 8 plus 9 what? 17. 17, 17 cancel. 51 plus 9 is 60. Right. Same like I will tell. 30 students are there. Average is 40. One teacher is added. One teacher is added with his age is 70. Then what is the average of all these 30 plus teacher age? Tell me what. Here teacher, if in case if teacher age is 40, then total average is 40 only, no change. But here what happened? 10 is more. That 10 is shared by how many numbers? 30 plus 1. Okay, that 30 is shared by 31 numbers. Right. So the average is 40 plus 30 by 31. Like this. Okay. From here, how you can say? Suppose here 30, 40 plus, in between 40 plus. See here, difference is what? 10, 30. Right. How many? Here, one only, one number. by distributed by shared by all this 30 plus 1 31, like this direction. Okay, many problems are there like this. Next question. Next, average marks of the batch of students. Okay, 55. 55 students average is what? How much? 50. 60 students average is what? 45 students average is what? 60. See here. What is the average of here? How many numbers? 55, 45, 100, 160. What is the average total? First, in general, you calculate like 55 into 50, 60 into 55, 45 into 60, adding all this divided by 16, then you will get the average. Instead of that, calculate like this. See here, I am assuming 50 as a average. Assuming 50 as a average. Assuming. See here, 50 to 55. How much distance? 5. For how many numbers? How many numbers? 60 numbers into 60. Next, this. How much distance? 50 to 60, 10. For how many? 45. Yes, 45 into 10. This total is what? 300 plus 450. What? 750. Okay, like this here, what? 750. This must be shared by how many? 160 numbers, right? Next, how much? 14, 16 into 75, 60. 11.0, right? Like this. So 4 points. Next, what is answer? 54.6. First one is correct answer. Right. First, I have assumed the 50 is average. Next, I am finding the distance between these two remaining. Distance between this number to remaining numbers. What is 5? 5 into 60. Next, what? 10 into 45. Total I added. This 750 must be shared by all these numbers. That excess quantity. Okay. So like this I have calculated. And also one more method. We want, it is easy. What you can do in many more methods. Here number is there na. Here number is there na. You can find ratio directly. See here. 5 11s, 5 12s, 5 9s. Okay, it is better to multiply with divide with 5. Next what? How much? 32. Instead of this, you can find 50 into 11 plus 12 into 55 plus 9 into 60 by 32. It is little bit easy. Okay, don't worry, you can do the previous method only. If you have time, very much time in the exam, you can do like this, right? If you don't have that much time, please do the previous method. Next, average of 30 results is what? 20. Average of 30 results is what? 20. Next, average of 20 results is what? 30. What is the total average? Okay, total average. Students is 50. So 3, 2, 5. 3 into 20 what? 60. 2 into 30 what? 60. By how many? 5. What? 120 by 5 equal to 24. Okay, right. This is answer. But We will do in another way. How? 30 is 20. 20 results is what? 30. Here greater. In between 20 plus. But how much distance? 10 into. For how many numbers? 10. 10 number is greater. 20 numbers. Total shared by total. 30 plus 20, 50. So what? 24. Like this. Okay. Do this method. For some problems, it is very convenient. Here, here very good numbers are the nice numbers. So you can do directly multiply and you can divide. But if you get 29, 38 like these numbers, this method is easy, right? Next what? The average weight of six students is what? Average age of six students is what? 50 kg. Two students is 51. Another two is 55. Then the average weight of the all students. Okay, next all student. How many students are here? 8, 10 students. Okay, right. 2, 3, 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 fives. You can directly 3 into 50 what? 50 plus 51 plus 55 divided by how much? 5. What happened? 55 plus 55, 51 plus 55 what? 106. Right? 106 plus 150 what? 256 by 5. 550, 1.5. Okay, 51.2. Right, this is answer. In another way, how you going to have? I'm explaining in another way also, na? Do it that way. Six students, 50. Two students, 51. Two students, 55. And total you have to calculate. I am assuming 50 as average. See here, how much difference? 1. For how many numbers? 2 numbers. So what? 2 plus see 50 to 55. Difference is what? 5. How many numbers? 2 numbers. So 10. This must be shared by how many numbers? 10 numbers. So what? 2 plus 12 by 10. How much? 1.2. From here I am calculating the center is 50. So 50 plus 1.2. 51.2. This is very easy now. This method is easy instead of so much so much calculations. Next, average of average of 10 numbers is 10 numbers is 7. The every number is multiplied by 7, 12. Every number is multiplied by 12. And what happens? This average also multiplied by 12. So 84. Right? Suppose 1, 2, 3. Average is 2. Every number is multiplied by 12. What? 12 into 1, 12 into 2, 12 into 3. What happened? Adding all this 12 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3. This is average, previous average. No problem. If you multiply with 12, average also multiply with 12. So here also 7. Well, you are multiplying with 12, so average is multiply with 12. Right. Next question we will see next question. Average of income of 40%. 40% is what? 4,200. 35% is 4,000. What is the average income of whole group? Okay, total average you have to find. This is 75. You have to find. Already I have explained you. See here, how much? I am assuming 4,000 is average. What is the difference? 200. For how many numbers is 200 is more? 40 numbers. So 40. This must be shared by both 75. Okay, right. See here. 25 threes, 25 eights means T20 by this one. Only this one. So what? 100 plus 20 by 3 means what? 6 1 by 3. 106 1 by 3. 106 2 by 3. See here. How much? 4,000 plus 106 2 by 3. 4,106 2 by 3. Right? This is the answer. Right? Next question. The average weight of 5 persons sitting in a boat is 38. The average weight of the boat and the person sitting on the boat is 52. So how much increased here? 12 is increased. Right? See here. 5 persons average is what? 38. Next, one person is sitting. This we have to find. What is the average of 6 persons? Average is what? 52. So a new person is came. He is increasing the average how much? 14. Right? He is increasing 14. 38 plus 14. He is increasing 14. For how many numbers he is increasing? Total 6 numbers. So 6. So he is increasing 84. So his 8 must be 38 plus 84. 22. Right? As usual, by as previous method, we can do like this also. Do just by previous methods. Okay. See here. What is the difference? What? Oh, 14. And also 31. Oh, for how many numbers? 16. 6. By you have to find the average for how many numbers? One number only. So denominator 1. So 84. Okay. How many numbers do you want? That is in denominator. Right. Next. Marks of 32 boys in a section is 60. 40 boys is 33. Both are mixing and 32 60. 40 is 33. Okay. How much is difference? See here. These are all similar questions I am explaining. Chapter first. These are previous years only. 32 boys 60. 40 boys 33. What is the total? I am saying in between the value. Okay, 33 plus. What is the difference? Difference is how much? 27. 27. This 27 higher. For how many students? 32. You have to find the average for all. So 70. Right? 9 3 ja, 9 8 ja. 8 1 ja, 8 4 ja. 4 3 into 4 12. 12 plus 33 45. 45 answer. Next question. Let's see. Here he is asking total amounts of workers factory. Total amount they are getting is 1534. Total average weekly for one worker 118. So total he is asking. So 1534 by divided by 118. Just see here. This is nothing here. Okay. Last digit must be 6. So answer is 16. Here 4 is there, na? Here 18 is there. Last digit must be 8, 6 there. So sorry, not this one. 13 answer. Okay. 13. Why? I'm calculating directly. See here. Answer must be 118. Okay. Here 4 is there. 8 is there. This must be answer. Final answer. Last digit must be 8 or 3. Here 3 is only 1 is there. So this is answer. Right. Okay. Right. Next, see here this question. 12 kg of rice is how many? 12 kg of rice is 30 rupees per kg and 8 kg of rice is 40 rupees per kg. What is the average by mixing these two? What is the average? See here, average must be in between 30 plus 30. How much is distance? 10. For how many numbers is more? 8 numbers. So 8. This must be divided by whole numbers. So 20, 1, 2, 2, 4. Average is 34. Answer is this one. Or you can do by alligation mixture. What is 30 for kg and next another mixture is 40. Okay, this you have to find for 30 how many 12 kgs, for this 8 kgs, right? This must be what 34. Suppose this is, so find this one. This is 34 what 4 6, right? Do like this. Next, if the average of 20 observations is y, then average each number is subtracted by 101. So average also subtracted by 101. Answer is y minus 101. Right? 2 is answer. Why? Suppose each number is subtracted. So what is that? How many minus 101s? Minus 101 minus 101 like this. How many numbers? Some 20 numbers. So 101 into 20 by how many numbers? 20. So minus 101. Final also minus 101. So y minus 101. Right. Next question. See here. Average of x numbers is y, average of y numbers is x, then average of all the numbers is what? X into y. 2xy by x plus y, right? You can do right. All these are simple questions only. What is the sum? X into y. Here also y numbers are there. Average is x, so y into x by how many numbers? X plus y. So 2xy x plus y. This is the answer. These are all similar examples, so I am going faster. See here, this is also same. X and y square. X into y square plus y into x square by x plus y. Okay, right. See here, we will do this one. What is the sum? Sum of the numbers x into y square plus y into x square by x plus y. X plus y. See here, common xy. So x plus y by x plus y, xy. Right. This is answer. Next question we will see. Next question. A man brought 30 articles for 70, 15 for 60 and 12 for 60. 1370, 1560, 1265. Assume anything. I am assuming 60 is the average. 60 plus. How much difference? 10. 10 for 30 numbers. So 130. And this is how much difference? 5. 5 plus what? 12. What is 60? This must be shared by all these numbers. 13 plus 15, 28. 28 plus 28 plus 12. How much? 40. So 40. So 60 plus 190 by 40. 4 4 is 16. 3 by 4. What? 64.275. Right? This is the answer. See here. Next question. Fight and observe visitors on see here on Sunday. Fight and visitors. Okay. 240 on other days. So average number of visitors 510 on Sunday and 240 on other days. So Sunday 510 visitors average remaining days but how much 240, right? See here average number of visitors per day in a month 30 days. Month has 30 days and starting day is Sunday. Starting day is Sunday, so first is Sunday, 8 is Sunday, 15 is Sunday, 22 is Sunday, 29 is Sunday. So how many Sundays? 5 Sundays are there. 5 Sundays. So what happened? 510 into 5 plus 240 into remaining 25 days by 30. This is the answer, right? 0, 0, 3. 3 1 j, 3 17 j, 3 8 j. Okay, 17 5, 85 plus 200, right? So 285 answer, right? Simple only, that is everyone can do easily. Very simple assumptions. Next, average of 30 is 40 and 40 is 30. So what is answer? You can do directly. See here, difference is what? 30. Here 40, here 30. I am assuming 30 average. 40 is how much distance? 10. For how many numbers? 30. So 30 into 10, 300. 300 must be saved by how many numbers? 70. 300 by 70 what? 300 by 70. 4, 2 by 7. Right? So what is the answer? 34, 2 by 7 answer. This is first answer. This is right. 34, 2 by 7. Right. First answer. Right. This. See once again. 30 is 40. 40 is 30. I'm assuming 30 as average. 30 plus. How much distance? 10. For how many numbers? 30. So 300 by shared by 70. 70. What is the answer? See here, average of 20 is what? Average of 20 numbers is what? 15. The average of first 5 numbers is what? 12. The average of rest ones, 15 numbers you have to find. See here. Right. Average. Average must be. So here total average is 15. Here 5 numbers 12. So total average must be greater than what? 15. Okay. Right. See here. You can find anyway. Whatever you can do. See here. If you want from here. But denominator must be 15. Suppose here 15 plus how much is distance? So assume from 12 you can tell. From 12. Assume what is 3? 3 into 20 60. By what? 50. Right? This is 60. You take from here what? How much? 50. 3. 3 into what? 5. 50. By average for 50 numbers. So answer is 60. Right. In general way you can do like this. Average of 20 numbers is 50. So like this. First 5 numbers 5 into 12. Average of rest is what? 15 into x. Right. 360. 240. 240 divided by 15. 1 is 15. 16. Right. Like this. You can do like this also. Next. Average of monthly expenditure of family is 2200 during the first 3 months. 2550 during the next 4 months. First 3 months expenditure is 2200. Next 4 months 2550. During last 5 months is what? 3150. The total savings during the year is savings is 1260. This is the expenditure. He is asking total income. You can do anyway. See here, assume here. This is average. I am assuming. How much distance from here to here? 150 for 4. So 600, right? From here to here, what is the distance? What is the distance? See here to 920, na? Right. So total by how much? 712. Right. So what happened? This is what? 50. This is what? Hmm? Hmm. 7 84. 84. Right? This is 920 only. 920 into 5. Right. Next we add this. Somewhere it was wrong. We will go again. For 3 numbers. Go to 300. First 3 months. Next 4 months. Next 5 months. Okay. Otherwise assume this one. So total must be what? This one, this one, this one, this one. This one. Different. So see here, I am assuming this is the average. So how much difference? 550. Here difference we have calculated wrongly. So previously so wrong. First I am assuming 2200 to 2550. Okay, order take this as average. 2200 what is 3? Okay, this is 350 na difference. So 350. This is more. So 4 numbers plus next this one. This to this the difference is what? 2200 to 9 920. 920 into 5 divided by what? How much? 1. Right, like this. Calculate this and add to 2200, you will get answer. Right. Next, average of this number. Just sum by divided by this number. So, no problem. That is no problem. Next, do here. 4 boys and 3 girls spent on 120. Last question, simple question. 4 boys and 3 girls 120. Total average. Boys. 4 boys spent 150. 3 girls we don't know. Total is what? 4 boys, 3 girls. So what is the difference here? 30. Right. Suppose 120 plus this is total average. Must be girls. Girls must be less, no? Total average is less. So in between this is. So 150 less than 150 minus how much? 30. Right. Otherwise take 20. 120. It must be 120 minus 120 minus how many? 4. See here 30. Okay. Right. 4 divided by need 3. So 40. 120 minus 40 is 40. So the average must be these two. So 120. This is greater than 120. So next remaining girls must be less than 120. Okay. Suppose 10 and 20 mixed. Then resultant average must be in between. Same here 150 boys. Girls we don't know. Resultant 120. So this must be less than 120. How much that I am calculating? 120 minus difference is what? 30. Okay, 30 more this one. 30 into 4 divided by I have to find for 3 girls. So divided by 3. Right. This is the answer. Right. Okay. We will see another questions in tomorrow's class. Okay.